Hello everyone, welcome to my class. So we were discussing chapter number 4 from your history part, social science. It is Indian freedom movement and national awakening in Assam. So in your last class we were discussing about some organizations, and today we will be discussing about some another organization. So today is Ahom Sabha. At first we will be discussing about Ahom Sabha. So Ahom Sabha was established by Padmanath Gohai Barua in 1893. The first session of the Ahom Sabha was held in Sibsagar in 1893. Okay. The main activity of the Ahom Sabha was anti-opium campaign, and in 1910 the Ahom Sabha was renamed as the Ahom Association, and the Ahom Sabha's significant political demand was to get recognition as minority of the Ahoms and reservations of seats in the assembly and a separate electorate for the Ahoms. And now we will be discussing about another organization. It is Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha. Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha was founded by Jagannath Barua. The chief objectives of Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha were to represent the aspirations of the people to the government, and to explain government policies to the people, and to ameliorate the condition of the people. Besides the objectives, Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha also raised voice against the exploitative policies of the British government, and for this Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha raised some issues. These are: it raised voice against the introduction of the Assam Land and Revenue Act 1886. In 1892-93, it took up the cause of the riots who protested against the enhancement of revenue. In 1893, the Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha submitted a memorandum to the Royal Commission on Opium, asking for gradual abolition of opium in Assam. And the next organization is Assam Association. So Assam Association was founded by Manik Chandra Barua in 1903. So the first session was held in 1905 in Dibrugarh, and in the session Raja Prabhat Chandra Barua was elected as its president, and Jagannath Barua elected as the vice president, and Manik Chandra Barua elected as general secretary. And some issues raised by the Assam Association were: it was critical of the predominance of government officials in the municipal committee and of tree planters in the local boards. It demanded democratization of local bodies. It opposed enhancement of taxes, excise policy of the government, and demanded absolute prohibition of opium. Assam Association also demanded the introduction of Montagu-Chelmsford reform of 1918 in Assam. And the Assam Association also actively it was involved in non-cooperation movement. So next is Assam Provincial Congress Committee, in short APCC. So we all know Indian National Congress was established in 1885. So many organizations of Assam sent its representative to the various sessions of Indian National Congress. But some leaders from Assam did not support to be merged with the Indian National Congress. As a result, in 1921, Assam Provincial Congress Committee was founded or established, and it was affiliated to Indian National Congress. And the first officially elected president of Assam Provincial Congress Committee was Vishnuram Medhi. Okay. So, it is the class for today. So, in this class, we have found what? Ahom Sabha, Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha, and Assam Association and Assam Provincial Congress Committee. And I hope you have understood what I have taught, and I would like to give you some homework. So, the first question is, who was the first elected president of Assam Provincial Congress Committee? And number 2 is, what were the chief objectives of Jorhat Sarvajanik Sabha? I hope you will try to do the answers at your home. So the class is over for today. Thank you.